Welcome to the Xanadu Experience.
Welcome guys to another video. Today we'll be going over the vitamins and their benefits in this vegan power punch. Firstly, we'll be discussing each ingredients and the vitamins that is associated with them. We are going to start with the raisins, guys. This is high in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Second ingredients, flax seed. This is high in vitamin B1 and B6, and a good amount of vitamin E. Next ingredients is pumpkin seed. It's rich in vitamin B2, 3, 5, 9, and vitamin E. Up next, sunflower seed. Means E and B vitamins. Also folate. Barley grass is the ingredient that has most vitamins. These are vitamins A, B, C, E, K, and plantain, which is high in vitamin A, C, and B6. By blending these ingredients, it creates a nutrients-rich punch that provides a broad spectrum of vitamin, particularly vitamin B, C, vitamin E, vitamin A. This combination supported overall health, including immune function, skin health, and energy metabolism. Now we are discussing each vitamins and their benefits. This will be shown on your screen. Vitamin A, essential for immune system, function, and skin health. Vitamin C is also good for your blood vessels, bones, and also act as an antioxidant. Helps to the absorption of iron and support the immune system. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage. It also supports immune function and skin health. Vitamin K, key role in blood clotting and bone metabolism. It helps synthesis of proteins required for the blood coagulation and binding calcium in bones and other tissues. This punch is a vitamin B rich punch. Consists of vitamins B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 12. Punch provides a comprehensive range of vitamins that support various bodily functions such as energy, metabolism, immune function, skin and eye health, blood clotting, cellular repair, maintenance. This nutrient diversity makes it a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Thank you for watching, guys.